guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on Happiness and Lifestyle, and today I will be showing you guys a handbag that I recently got from Ross. It is a really pretty handbag and I couldn't believe how much price I got it for. And I actually went to Ross just because I'm seeing so many YouTube videos that are like you know, talking about how the Ross has like a lot of things going on now, discounts and reduced prices. So even though I don't like to go out that much, I have made trip to TJ Maxx, Marshall and Old Navy and Ross, like you know, when I went the other day. So I did go these places just to see what's going on and stuff like that. Yeah, so I just went to check and I found this handbag, and I don't know what it's called because I tried to Google. Look at this, the Kors Crossbody Bag, and it's really nice like pebble leather, but I think it's an outlet bag because inside like when you see the fabric you kind of know, or I don't know, I'm really not sure now, because this kind of has like this neat design inside, and then it has the Michael Kors, not like, you know, in outlet bags they just write like Michael Kors like that, right? The whole thing spelled out. This, it has them spelled out, but it has also that shining circle design, so it confuses me because the quality is really good. And so I am thinking that it probably is not a okay, let me show you guys. See, this is how the design is inside, and you know, it has that Michael Kors logo there, and it has just a small open pocket there. I have the receipt in there, and then yeah, it's really simple. And I have one red one that if you guys go back and look at my Michael Kors handbag reviews, you'll see I have one red Michael Kors that's much smaller than this in size, because to fit my phone that was like really hard. But that also has like a big logo like this, but that leather is a little different. It's kind of like that quilted kind of leather and really soft. And this one is pebble leather, and this is also very soft. It's not the Saffiano, it's the pebble leather. So I really like the leather. The quality is also good, and it has, like I said, it has this big Michael Kors logo here, the magnetic thing, and then if you see the phone in this, it fits, my phone fits properly. So the size of this is a little bigger than the one I have, like the red one. Now I don't remember what that was called. So this didn't have that other tag that it's supposed to have, that Michael Kors tag. It didn't have that. So I don't know, maybe that's why it was on sale. I'm not sure. Let me see if it's like hiding somewhere. Yeah, it's not. And to be honest, it's not even written Michael Kors. Yeah, it's not written everywhere like the way the outlet bag is written. Okay, so in between the design, like you see, there is like this, yeah, there is like this design, and in between the design, like you will see like Michael Kors written in between that circle design there. So it is really not exactly the way outlet bag is. So I think, I don't know, but I like it. It's with the golden hardware. And now let's come to the price. It was actually $69.99, like the tag, and then it got marked down to $41.99, and that is actually the whole reason I got it, because it was marked down to $41.99. Maybe because it doesn't have that other Michael Kors tag, because I have looked at the bag completely, nothing wrong with the bag, no damage anywhere, no, not even a scratch anywhere. So it's really nice. And it also has this another magnetic this thing here, like a pocket, another magnetic pocket there. So you can even, let me see if my phone fits in that pocket there. Yeah, it's hard to fit in a phone though, you have to keep it like that. Mine is a Samsung S5 active, Galaxy S5 active. So I really like this. So it's slightly bigger than my red one. My red one is really tiny. So I liked it that I can actually fit my phone, keys, and you know, like that. So I think it's a small size. It's not a mini. Mini would be more smaller than this. So I liked it. I put it on the last hole there actually. And let me give you guys a mod shot of this. So this, I have put it in the last hole here actually. So in the last hole, this is how much it is going to be. This is how long it's going to be for me. And well, let me show my whole outfit because I wore the black white sandals too, also to match with my so I think I like it. It looks cute. And like for me, like I said, I'm just five feet, so for me it is still looking like that. If I wear it like that, it comes till here, which is like good. If I want, I'll try to put like an extra hole here if I want to pull it up a little more, but I think I still like it, so that's how it looks. And this dress, guys, I have this dress, I think it's been sitting in the closet for like 3 years now. I never wore it. Today I was like, no, I'm just going to wear it for this video at least. So I took it out and wore it. It still had tag on it, like I'd got it to wear to the office, I think, but I never wore it. So there you go, guys. So I do like it. It's so cute. And for that price, the $41.99, I really didn't want to leave it. So I think it's so pretty for $42. Oh my god, it's worth it. And it's like nice, like leather. That's what I liked, that it's like the nice pebble leather. That's it, guys. I just wanted to share this with you guys. So it's really pretty. I think it's a blush pink color, and the golden with the blush pink, it looks really pretty. I usually don't like this big Michael Kors logo, but the leather is good. It's such a nice quality bag. So it seems like a retail bag to me, so that's why I was like, okay, I just caved in. So thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Please click that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and also click the like button, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much, guys. Bye. Take care.